A roll-off does not count.
You got time, you got time.
25 minutes and 30 seconds left.
Anyways, a great man once told me.
All right, guys, we are here in Braille House 2.0 with the one, the only, Alec O'Grady. He got really nervous on the heel flip. He said, I can't do it, Dad. I said, okay, son. We're thoroughly disappointed in you, but we'll let it slide.
That is how the conversation went, yeah.
So now, we're gonna give him, should we give you something or should we do a punishment? Should this be punishment round?
I don't know. The other one was, it seems like they've been alternating, because the last one wasn't a punishment one, but I didn't make it.
Right, true. Well, Uzi just put $10,000 on the line of his own hard cash if you can ollie the 3-stair in 30 minutes.
Okay.
You can warm up, you can go okay, but the time starts now. So
wait, where's
warm
the
up.
timer?
Right here. Feel this out.
Roll off. He's the new coach.
No, you got this.
Aaron just left.
I want to see you win. All right, just roll off this one time. I just need to see it.
These videos are less about instruction, more about peer pressure. Hey, Suri, set a timer for 30 minutes.
Okay, 30 minutes and counting.
30 minutes and counting. He's got to actually ollie. He cannot roll off. A roll off does not count.
Coach, you have to stop it.
That's way harder.
Does that count if I land it?
He still landed with his feet together. Somebody farted in that general vicinity. I'm looking at your brother.
Probably you.
Keep forgetting he's a ballerina. This ollie is so dainty. Okay. I mean, was that an ollie? I don't know.
Redo it. Just redo
Give us a rebate.
You got this. You got time.
Was that an ollie? Okay, Braille House 2.0 is perfectly set up for progression. 1 stair, 2 stairs. Go ahead.
Here's what I don't like about this.
It's just.
It's skinny.
You could go this way. Look.
Go that way.
Right here.
We always have the solution.
26 minutes.
There we go. There we go.
Do not hug Mowgli. It's not.
I was.
That was a good one. Oh, going for the double.
Can I just want to.
Now, are you going for this one? Well, first of all, you didn't always. That's what we need to do.
I don't like
But this is the 3 drop now.
that. Okay.
Next level of progression. Hold up. We got 25 minutes and 30 seconds left. This is easy.
Okay.
I can't even make it that high-pitched shrill. You only have 20 minutes left. Uzi might lose $10,000 on this. That's gonna really set him back. 24 minutes. Okay.
Perfectly still.
Better actually. What is this strange mechanism that every time your board leaves your feet, you just want to put your feet together?
I don't know. It's a habit.
Break it. Oh! That's my boy, Blue! That's my boy! First try. Is that scary?
Not anymore.
Because you conquered your fear?
Yeah.
21 minutes, 48 seconds to go.
See what I mean?
Hey, I believe in him.
I believe in him too. He can do it.
Okay.
That boy goes.
I like speed.
Okay. talking about the movie. Alec, if you go below 50, the bus is gonna explode.
Below 50?
Speed.
Oh. Okay.
I don't think he's ever seen it.
Have you seen the movie Speed?
No.
Get out of the Braille House.
It's there.
Don't you think it's easier to ollie though? Leave it in the comments below if you think it's easier to ollie or ride off a 3-stair with speed. I think it's easier to ollie.
A great man once told me, if you lose in a competition.
Wait, who told you this?
Anyways, a great man once told me.
A great man once told me.
Alright, you got this. If you do something, even if it's not.
What was I telling you?
Alright, even if it's not the ollie, even if you roll away, you're still gonna be confident in something. So do this. You
So
got it.
even if you're a loser, you're a winner.
That's, yeah.
Who told you that?
Bob Burnquist.
Bad start.
Land it, dude! I got this medical condition in my back. I just got this giant knot right there. It just hurts so bad. Ow!
If you can see it from my
His feet are fully on there, then he jumps off, then he lands on the nose, the board shoots up, hits him in the butt, and then he's like, okay, Chicken Little, put the feet on the board. I'm sorry, I'm not this mean. I'm normally really nice. It's just really frustrating. Oh my gosh! Okay.
That was terrifying.
It's okay.
Body!
It's alright.
This is what you need to do. This is what you're doing.
It's fair. I'm like an elephant on an ice skating rink, a giraffe in the middle of the desert.
You're like a giraffe in a Pete's in the winter of Chicago.
Makes it look so easy. It's just not.
Just put your feet on. Both feet. Not like this, but like this. Leave them on.
I feel like it's just dipping, like gravity is taking it away from me.
Do it off the side again. Gravity took it away from you there, you landed. Wow, $10,000 for a 3-stair ollie. Leave it in the comments below if you would land that. 10 minutes and 20 seconds. Okay. 3-stair?
Yeah.
6 minutes and 46 seconds to go.
What? Yeah. How?
Right here. You got this.
Now land on it. Leave it in the comments below. Uzi, bring me the 10 grand out. Dude, you got it. Okay, we're down to 1 minute, 42 seconds. He landed all the flat ground tricks except for heel flip. Anything on the obstacles though. I guess this is our first video on the obstacles. You got it, O'Grady. I'm not scared, dude. Go.
What's the time?
12 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Ah! Why did it stop? Oh my! Do not land it. Whatever you do, don't land it. We gotta try something else. This is going nowhere. I'm giving him everything.
Okay. Mowgli, what do I need?
You're doing it.
That's not what I want to hear.
Land it right here and we'll both go to Hawaii.
We'll fly a certain someone out from Minnesota.
You realize if I land it, I'm actually taking you up on that.
You won't, because you can't.
Lift him up! Lift him up! Lift him up!
Oh my god!
That was the most anticlimactic climax I've ever seen.
Did you film that? Did you film that on your phone?
I'm sorry. I just had no faith in your ability to do it. Let's see, was this the one? Maybe I did. Nope.
No, close, fine. Oh my god.
You didn't think you were gonna make it?
There are many points where I didn't think I was gonna make it.
We knew you would make it. Never give up. Confident, strong, persistent, dedicated. Braille Army. Join the Braille Army.
That was
Be
crazy.
part of the Braille skateboarding map. Was it crazy? Tell us everything. What happened there?
Well, I had tried this a couple of times, not like really like trying it, like off camera. And I love stairs. That's the weird part about it. Like
Clearly. Just kidding.
Like whenever I did like, I don't know, like BMX stuff or whatever, I loved stairs.
Yeah.
I could do like, anyway, I
So you
loved
could do this on
stairs.
BMX.
Yeah.
That's what we should have brought in, a BMX.
But this, like obviously on that, you have like something to like hold on to.
Okay.
So it doesn't, like trying it isn't really that hard.
Well, you
This is
can't really
kinda-
like bail out on a bike. You
Exactly.
have to go.
That's
If you're
the-
going, you're going.
That's the point. So for
Skateboard,
this,
you need to do the same.
Exactly. But I don't know. There are times when it was just like I didn't know what I was doing, or I didn't know how I could do it. And finally, when I saw that all that was happening was I was just kicking my back foot up,
Yeah.
then it got a lot better.
Yeah, there's a lot of people learning to skateboard. There's some people that are watching right now that haven't even started to learn how to skateboard. So we want to make this to inspire you, each and every one of you, to learn how to skateboard. It is fun, and you can do it. You cannot give up. You have to just push through those barriers. So what I want you to tell those people is some piece of advice to help them if they want to try a 3-stair right off.
The biggest thing is just keep going. Like that's
Persistence.
Yeah, like I could have
Key part of
given up
skateboarding.
or could have done a lot of things, but you just kind of got to keep going.
Yeah.
And just do it. Like I didn't have
Like
when I did it, I didn't have like it was only right before then that I actually had the confidence of doing it. Before that, I was like, I don't even know. We'll see if this goes.
Step 1 in all of life, believe in yourself.
Also, even if the timer goes off, it doesn't matter.
No, it doesn't matter.
Like,
You just lost $10,000, but other than that, it doesn't matter.
you're not gonna pay me 10,000. Now there was Uzi.
Uzi is good for it, dude. He's good for it.
I'm sure he is, but he's not gonna give it to me.
Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes, you, learn how to ride a skateboard. It's super fun. We got everything you need and more at brailleskateboarding.com. Be a part of the map of the world. We're building more skateboarders all over the world at brailleskateboarding.com. I'll see you there.